To fix Windows 11 login problem, first you need to boot your computer into safe mode. If you are stuck on the login screen, then simply press and hold Shift key on your keyboard, then click on this power button, then select Restart and restart anyways. Once you'll be on this screen, you need to select this option, Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, select Restart, press F5 key on your keyboard. Once you are in safe mode, first you can try restarting your computer. For that, simply right-click on Windows icon. From here, you can select Restart. If that doesn't work, then you can go with the Registry option. For that, simply right-click on Windows icon, select Run, type in here regedit and press Enter. Here, you have to be in this location. I have mentioned this location in the description. From there, you can copy paste in here. Once you'll be in here, expand this folder. Inside this folder, you will find the exact matching Microsoft account email address. Simply right click on that specific email address folder and select delete. Afterward, simply close the registry and restart your computer. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.